Floating in the great darkness of space, the planets of our solar system come in all sizes, and from enormous gas giants to small, rocky worlds. If we line up Mars, Venus, Mercury, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Earth by size, the differences are truly dramatic. Let's dive into a factual story about these 8 planets ranked from largest to smallest. Jupiter, the king of the planets, with a diameter of 142,984 kilometers or 88,846 miles. Jupiter is a true giant, bigger than all the other planets combined. Made mostly of hydrogen and helium, it's a swirling ball of gas with colorful storms, including the famous Great Red Spot, a hurricane larger than Earth itself. And here's a fun fact. Over 1,300 Earths could fit inside Jupiter. Saturn, the ringed wonder. With a diameter of 120,536 kilometers or 74,900 miles, Saturn is famous for its stunning rings, but it's also the second largest planet. Like Jupiter, it's a gas giant mostly made of hydrogen and helium. Despite its size, Saturn is so light that it would float in water if you could find a bathtub big enough. Fun fact, Saturn's beautiful rings are made of ice and rock, and they stretch thousands of kilometers into space. Remember to like and subscribe for more amazing space facts. Uranus, the tilted giant, diameter 51,118 kilometers or 31,763 miles. Uranus is much smaller than Jupiter and Saturn, but still a huge ice giant. It has a strange tilt. It spins almost completely on its side compared to the other planets. Uranus has a pale blue-green color due to methane gas in its atmosphere. Fun fact. A day on Uranus, or one spin, takes about 17 Earth hours, but a year, or one orbit around the Sun, takes 84 Earth years. Neptune, the windy ice giant, diameter 49,528 kilometers or 30,775 miles. Neptune is slightly smaller than Uranus but more massive. It's a deep, vivid blue because of its methane atmosphere. Neptune is known for the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour or 1,300 miles per hour. Fun fact. Neptune has a giant dark storm like Jupiter's red spot called the Great Dark Spot. Earth, our unique blue planet, diameter 12,742 kilometers or 7,918 miles. Earth is the largest rocky planet, the biggest of the terrestrial or Earth-like worlds. It's also the only planet we know that supports life. Covered with oceans, mountains, forests, and deserts, Earth is a rare gem in the universe. Fun fact, about 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Venus, the mysterious twin. With a diameter of 12,104 kilometers or 7,521 miles, Venus is very close to Earth's size, just slightly smaller. However, it's an extremely hostile world with thick clouds of toxic gas and surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Despite this, Venus once might have had oceans billions of years ago. And here's a fun fact. A day on Venus, which is one spin, is actually longer than its year. Mars, the red planet, diameter 6,779 kilometers or 4,212 miles. Mars is only about half the size of Earth. It's a cold, dry world, but it has polar ice caps, ancient river valleys, and the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. Fun fact. Scientists believe that Mars may have had liquid water in the past, and possibly life. Mercury, the smallest and swiftest, diameter 4,879 kilometers or 3,032 miles. Mercury is the tiniest planet, only slightly larger than Earth's moon. It's a rocky world full of craters and has no real atmosphere, meaning it experiences extreme temperature changes between day and night. Fun fact, Mercury orbits the Sun faster than any other planet. Just 88 Earth days for 1 year. Summary: planets, ranked by size. Rank planet diameter in kilometers and notes. 1. Jupiter, 142,984 kilometers, largest of all planets. 2. Saturn, 120,536 kilometers, famous for its rings. 3. Uranus, 51,118 kilometers, spins on its side. 4. Neptune, 49,528 kilometers, strongest winds. 5. Earth, 12,742 kilometers, only known life. 6. Venus, 12,104 kilometers, Earth's twin in size. 7. Mars, 6,779 kilometers, red dusty world. 8. Mercury, 4,879 kilometers, smallest and closest to Sun. Conclusion: from the colossal gas giants to the small rocky worlds, the planets of our solar system display incredible variety. Jupiter reigns supreme in size, while Mercury holds the title of the smallest. Yet each planet, no matter its size, has a fascinating story and plays a unique role in the grand dance around the Sun.